In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get cookie consent added to your WordPress site. Navigating the world of online privacy can be quite challenging, but incorporating a cookie consent pop-up is a vital step in ensuring compliance with legal requirements and fostering trust with your visitors. So, let's dive right into it. To start with, you'll need to access your WordPress dashboard, which serves as the control panel for your entire website. Once you're inside, you'll want to scroll down the menu on the left-hand side until you find the option for Plugins. This is the section where you can add new functionalities to your site, so go ahead and click on Add New. In the search bar on the top right corner, type in Cookie Consent and press Enter. This will show you a wide range of available plugins specifically designed to address cookie consent. While there are many options to choose from, consider looking for a plugin that has good reviews and regular updates for optimal performance and security. Once you've decided which plugin to go for, you simply click on Install Now. WordPress will take care of the installation process for you. Once that's complete, the button will change to Activate. Click Activate to turn on the plugin and start using it on your site. With the plugin activated, you should notice a new menu item labeled Cookie Consent or something similar in your dashboard. Clicking on it will take you to the settings page, where the real magic happens. Here, you can customize the appearance and behavior of your cookie consent pop-up to align with your website's brand and user experience goals. One important tip to remember is to make the consent pop-up clear and concise, as users are generally more focused on the content they came for. In the settings, you will typically find options to edit the message that's displayed, the position on the screen where it appears, and the colors to match your theme. There might also be an option for users to learn more, which links to a dedicated page explaining your cookie policy in greater detail. Next, save your changes and preview your website to ensure everything is looking as expected. The cookie consent pop-up should seamlessly integrate with your site, both functionally and visually. Spend some time testing it to make sure it works well on different devices and browsers. If any adjustments are necessary, you can always go back into the plugin settings to tweak as needed. And there you have it, your WordPress site is now equipped with a professional-looking cookie consent pop-up. This not only helps with legal compliance but also fosters trust and transparency with your audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.